Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning after the night of Sabi Qadr. Dear students, today is off day for virtual classes on account of the holy night Sabi Qadr. But I found a chance, or rather, I have found the chance to deliver in favor of class 12th student something because I am posted at middle school, or I can say I am posted in middle school. Dear students, COVID-19 pandemic is putting life at stake. People in lakhs are declared positive, or they turn positive. In J&K, its rate of infection and mortality rate is also high. Better is to follow all SOPs in letter and spirit, and we must have or develop COVID appropriate behavior. Dear students of class 12th political science, today we are dealing with one of the important topics in your political science, that is the disarmament. Dear students, the disarmament means the process of eliminations of war weapons by joint efforts. Or we can say it is a process of elimination of weapons of mass destruction. You might have in your minds during Second World War, first time in the mankind atom bombs were used. On August 6, 1945, America dropped two atom bombs on Japan, one at Hiroshima, other at Nagasaki, and it was said that both the towns were leveled to ground, and it made unconditional surrender of Japan from Second World War. But the armament race started in the world after the culmination of the Second World War because many non-nuclear states in the world thought that they should have weapons of mass destruction in their possession for their security. And today, Americans, Russia, India, Pakistan are the countries who are in possession of these nuclear weapons. But these nuclear weapons or weapons of the mass destruction was considered biggest threat to the peace and security to the globe. So the efforts were made after the culmination of the Second World War to reduce the armamentaries or to eliminate the armamentaries in the world. However, on the second hand, the armamentaries in the world started after the culmination of the Second World War, but also along with it, some methods, some strategies were prepared to reduce the weapons of mass destruction, their preparation, or they reduce the armamentaries in the world, or to eliminate the weapons of mass destruction from the world in order to restore peace and security in the world, or for the everlasting peace, or for the stability in the world. Some efforts were made, and one of such effort is CTBT, comprehensive treaty based test, and another is NPT, non-proliferation test, another is partial PTBT, partial treaty based test, and these all methods, strategies were to reduce or eliminate the weapons of mass destruction in the world for everlasting peace. Dear students, after Second World War, no doubt the peace, this race for the armament started in the world, and this race in the world was also seen the biggest threat to the peace and security in the world. So on one hand, the armament race was on in the world. On the second hand, some plans were hit, some strategies were hit to eliminate the weapons of mass destruction from the world for the stability in the world. Let me repeat the things. Dear students, disarmament means the process of elimination of war weapons by which peace can prevail in the world, or it is the process by which we can reduce the weapons of mass destruction in the world or stop armament race in the world. During Second World War, America dropped 2 atom bombs on Japan, one at Hiroshima, other at Nagasaki, and it was said both the towns were leveled to ground. And first time in the history of mankind that bombs were used, which made Japan surrender from the Second World War unconditionally. So the race in the world started. What race? Armament race in the world started, but it was seen threat to the world, because after culmination of Second World War, also the UNO got formed. The main purpose of the UNO was to restore peace in the world and check further wars in the world. So no doubt the process of armament started in the world, but some steps were taken to reduce or to eliminate the process of armament in the world, or to reduce or eliminate the weapons of mass destruction in the world by which the peace can prevail. And I am mentioning some treaties like CTBT, NPT, and PBT. Also CTBT, NPT, and PTBT were some treaties to either reduce the weapons of mass destruction in the world or to eliminate them from the surface. Dear students, now it's Urdu. डिसआर्मामेंट का मतलब है जो वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन है, न्यूक्लियर वेपन वगैरह, इसको ख़त्म करें। ये वो प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें इनको क्या किया जाता है, इन वेपन्स को। ये एक प्रोसेस है जिसके ज़रिए या तो वेपन रेस वर्ल्ड में ख़त्म होगी, या इनकी जो तादाद है, यानी वेपन्स को ख़त्म करना या इनकी तादाद को कम करना है। सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के दौरान अमेरिका ने एटम बम इस्तेमाल किए, और कहाँ पे? जापान पे इस्तेमाल किए, और इस बिना किसी शर्त के जापान ने सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर से सरेंडर किया। लेकिन दुनिया में क्या हुआ, जो वेपन्स रेस थी वो शुरू हो गई, यानी वेपन बनाने की जो दौड़ थी वो शुरू हो गई। जैसे कि रशिया ने बनाए, जैसे पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, और किस लिए उन्होंने बनाए? ताकि हमारे पास ये न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स या वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन होने चाहिए, ताकि हम अपनी सिक्योरिटी के लिए ये वेपन्स रख लें। लेकिन इट वाज सीन, ये देखा गया है कि सबसे बड़ा थ्रेट जो है वर्ल्ड को, यह है वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन, यानी तबाही के वेपन्स, एटम बम, न्यूक्लियर बम, हाइड्रोजन बम। और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद कुछ एफर्ट्स, यानी कुछ इकदाम उठाए गए ताकि ये वेपन्स की जो रेस है, इनकी दौड़ है, ये ख़त्म की जाए या इनकी तादाद कम की जाए, ताकि दुनिया में पीस आ जाए, अमन आ जाए और सिक्योर सलामती पैदा हो। जैसे कि CTBT, कंप्रहेंसिव ट्रीटी बेन टेस्ट, पार्शियल ट्रीटी बेन टेस्ट, नॉन प्रोलिफरेशन टेस्ट, ये ट्रीटीज़, ये महादे हुए, ताकि इन महादों के ज़रिए क्या हुआ, थोड़ा बहुत ये वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन ये कम होने लगे। और दुनिया में UNO बनाना, यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आफ्टर एंड ऑफ सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद, इसका मेन मकसद था कि दुनिया में पीस आना चाहिए, पीस प्रवेल होना चाहिए। लेकिन इस यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने भी कोशिश की कि वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन जो हैं ये इनकी तादाद कम होनी चाहिए, ये ख़त्म होने चाहिए अमन के लिए। सो हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं डिसआर्मामेंट का क्या मतलब, इट्स अ प्रोसेस, ये वो अमल है जिसमें ख़त्म किए जाते हैं वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन, ये तबाही के वेपन्स। आई होप you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion, you can call me or drop a message for me. I will be available round the clock for you, but better is to see these things on your available political science reference books, and also use other sources to have this concept fully. Thanks. Be well said.